Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini off your phone. First, open your phone settings. Look for the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once in settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. This section lists all the software installed on your device. Find Gemini in this list and tap on it to proceed to the next step. After selecting Gemini, you'll see an App Info page. Here, you should find an Uninstall button. Tap this button and your phone will likely ask you to confirm your choice. This is a standard security measure. Confirm that you wish to uninstall Gemini. The process usually takes only a few moments, and once complete, the app will be removed from your device. Sometimes, even after uninstalling, some residual data might remain. To ensure a clean removal, it's a good practice to clear the app's data and cache beforehand. On the Gemini App Info page, look for Storage. Tap on it, then select Clear Data and Clear Cache. This removes any stored information, ensuring a complete removal when you uninstall the app. After uninstalling, take a moment to check your app drawer or home screen to confirm Gemini is no longer present. A quick restart of your phone can also help refresh your system and ensure all traces are gone. This easy method helps keep your device organized and running smoothly. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your smart home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.